she was fired at Podcast and Chill because she has an alcohol problem.
And then it came to work, right? And then I get to work drunk. I get to work like kagowa. Like it's either I'm sad or I'm drunk as shit or I'm a mess. And then I got fired.
She said this herself and I believe it because she said she was going through a breakup with Ghost Luby.
Are they still together?
No, at the time. She's like, her breakup was so bad. She was having a hard time getting over it. So she started drinking a lot. She was always drinking. Then she said it ended up affecting her work, whereby she kept on coming to work. It's either she's late because she was drinking or she either came drunk. And she does say they told her, bro, you need to stop doing this. And I can imagine, you know how you perform as a podcaster when you're drunk, bro. You don't reason so well. You say a lot of crazy things. So she says she kept on doing it. Then they told her that, hey, bro, we need to end it. And people were actually attacking McG, saying, no, they should have supported her. They left her at her lowest. But she did say, guys, they gave me so many chances and I just kept
she
on.
admitted herself.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
It's so good she's self-aware though.
Hi guys, so this one said, but McG is always drinking on the show. Not just McG, like most of them, they always drink on the show. Everyone is allowed to drink on the show, but Sima's situation is different because he will come to work drunk, she will come late, so many things. She did so many things. She was given chances, like she did a lot. So yeah, guys, it's not the same. But y'all drink on set. Yes, they do. Coming to work drunk and drinking at work is not the same thing. I don't know why people are so slow. But she was always professional. Ubulaphi wena? Where were you? Were you there? Before the shooting and after the shooting, were you there? Hi guys, please. We were not there. We were not there, guys. Come on. We don't know how many times she came late. We don't know that because she was drunk, So let's not say she was professional way. Girls, we can't love boys till that extent whereby after mere breakups, we easily turn to alcoholics. Love, but love yourself more. Exactly, bro. Like, what the F? Like, we understand they were jollering for years, but still, it's wow, come on. Choice of words, sis man, having a drinking problem and going through a hardship, a phase due to a heartbreak are two different things. Correct yourself, Budwami. Kanti, I thought Sima said it herself, ukuthi she had a drinking problem, didn't she? Or maybe angizwanga kahle ke. Ziyathandwa indaba zabantu eSouth Africa, shame. Woo. And siyazithanda, shame. Ekumnandi ke mina uyithanda kwami kungenzela imali. So nje. Angiyithandi nje mahala, ziyangiholela indaba zabantu. So angeke ngize ngeke uyithanda. Wena ungayiyeka into ekwenzela imali mfethu. Exactly. So we all have the same problem. We you and who? Guys, I don't have a drinking problem and I will never have one because yes, ngiyaphuza but utshwala ngibukhonzile ngaleyo ndlela, like mina nje uyaphela nje 2 weeks ngingaphuzanga nje futhi angibihaleli nje, akukho la ngithi mhlawumbe ngihlele endlini I'm like, oh my gosh, ngaze ngoma. No, I just drink because I have friends abaphuzayo. So when they go out, show me, let's go out. Then I go, I support my friends. Abaphuzayo, I ain't going to pose. Like, we. Yeah, babes. Ungasifaki nje inkingeni zakho. You and who? Ayibo, please. Ungasho nje ukuthi we. Talk about yourself. Drinking on the job and coming to work drunk are two different things. Exactly. But it seems like abantu abayaz leyo. And she went back to him. Bro, imagine ukuthi ngize ngijole nawe. Sihlukane. Like I'm going through a breakup because of you. and ngize ngiyaphuza ngiba ney'nkinga ngiyaxosha emsebenzini because of you, and then boom sengibuyela kuwena futhi. Guys, usima ngeke, usima nje uyabhayisa nje, uyabhayisa nje usima nje angim-understandi ukuthi umuntu kanjani, noma uyanqina ucabanga sometimes, noma angazi mhlampe usamthanda ughost. Ubuyela kanjani kumuntu owenza ukuthi ugcine usulahlekelwa umsebenzi? Because phela uyena ukuba bahlukananga, ukube her heart was not broken, she wasn't gonna have like a drinking problem, she wasn't gonna get fired, you know. He is the reason. And then ubuyela kanjani kulowo muntu loyo? We shame bandla. Yeah, ne? If it's true, I'm so annoyed that she still had fun with the person who put her through that during Durban July. I know it's her life and her choice. This is exactly what I just said. Like, Sima bro. Oh, I believe that because Sima came to my workplace at Tigers and Milk this other day, and I remember that my shift started around 4, and when I arrived, she was already there drinking. She started drinking from the afternoon until our closing time, that was 11 p.m. And she was drinking that whole period and smoking heavily. Wow. Uyaphuzukela, uyanxila. Uyanxila akadlali. But ke ngibonile lapha kule podcast entsha ukuthi usephuza amanzi shame. Abe right. Ngiyabona ngendlela egqoka ngayo ngathi siyashintsha manje, because hayi phela ubegqoka umbhedo nje, let's be honest. Ubegqoka nje umbhedo. Anyway, please share your thoughts under the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next one.